This is the extreme rain and wind test of the Tesla chopper here in the Philippines. Oh, buddy. Like you at a sorry store, man. Is that good Coke? Sweet boy, Papa loves you. Yes, ma'am. Okay, Forrest G, can you share your Coke with Maria? Can you share your Coke with sister? Can you? Forrest G, share with sister, please. Share with sister, boy. Thank you, son. Good job, buddy. Good job, Maria.
Hey, you guys fit in here?
Baby, what are you talking about? I can fit 3 Filipinas, 2 big bags of laundry. I can put a chicken in the basket, 2 babies. What are you talking about where we fit? Of course we're gonna fit on that Tesla chopper.
You need to buy Sunrock.
You said I need to buy. That's just as bad as give me money. I can't hear nothing.
I said for the laundry you need to buy a Sunrock. Sunrock, Downy and powder.
I'm not buying any Sunrocks because you bleached a shirt and a pair of pants of mine.
Sunrock, it's for the decolor, pink Sunrock.
Listen, you bleached a good pair of pants. Well, gee, you want to ride? You want to ride, man? Folks, look at this beautiful girl. Wow, that's the first hint of sunshine since this typhoon blew through here.
Later, it's raining again.
I'm sure.
Yeah, so we can all fit on here. You just jump on top of that bag of laundry. Yeah, it's no big deal. Now see, I can put 2 there. I can put 2 more back here. She can ride on the top. Folks, good morning. Good morning. Look who I got on board. The beautiful Nanita.
I'm going back to Balibago.
Take this girl back over to her crib. First, we have to drop off the laundry. We're rolling strong with the laundry. This is about the first break I've had to get out on the chopper where it's not raining. Now it may start raining any moment. She's got an umbrella, and I have a poncho in the back in the trunk, so we'll make it. We'll make it. The first stop is to drop off our laundry. Now I talked about this before. Okay, not many people here in Southeast Asia have a dryer. Why? Because especially in the Philippines, electricity is expensive, and why spend money when you can just hang stuff up on the line and let it dry in the sunshine? But what happens during the rainy season, when it's always raining, and if you put stuff out on the line, it takes forever to dry. Sometimes it gets skunked. Well, that's when you use a laundry service that has a real dryer. So we're rocking 2 big old trash bags full. She just couldn't get them to dry, and the rain was like blowing in on the carport. So sometimes you just have to say, screw it. You get too backed up, just take it to a commercial laundry. It's cheap. Some places will get it back the same day. Most places will get it back within 24 hours. And then we're all caught up. Hopefully the rain will be gone and she can get her clothes to dry. She's wearing a baby doll dress. Looking so sexy this morning. My goodness. A few of y'all made a comment that said you think Nanita's put on a few kilos since she was down in the village. Not saying that that's a good thing or a bad thing. It's a beautiful thing. But anyhow, thanks for joining us. If you're not a subscriber, hit that overstay road sign. Get on board our train. What, baby?
Don't rain.
Don't rain? You got an umbrella, baby. And if that umbrella's not enough, I got a poncho under the seat. I got a big raincoat. It's laundry. Hello. Perfect time. The minute we pull in here, it starts raining a little bit. And always when you got a Tesla chopper, make sure you got a parking brake. especially when you're on an incline like this. Even if your parking brake works, always have an extra one. Okay, so for these 2 big bags of laundry, it's how much? $420?
420.
Okay, so 420 on these 2 big bags of laundry. And how soon will we get them back?
3 hours, sir.
3 hours?
Yes, sir.
Okay, awesome, folks. We'll get the laundry back in 3 hours. Okay, so right there, a place called French Laundry. So 8 kilos for 420 pesos. That's full service, and I get it back in 3 hours. How can you beat that? There you go, Dawn. She's afraid she's gonna get her hair wet, but I'm afraid she's gonna wrestle this umbrella. I'm not gonna go fast. I'm not gonna go fast. I'm just gonna creep along. But there you go. If you need a cover for a open air style convertible Tesla chopper, you just get an umbrella. Go ahead and merge into traffic. Yeah, it's okay. Oh no, I got this media mount on the GoPro. Actually, it's not waterproof. I'm gonna shoot out the front here, and I think these flags may give me some trouble on the audio, maybe on the video as well. We're gonna shoot out the front here and show you what's going on. They're the tail end of this here Typhoon. Not a whole lot of traffic out. This is the extreme rain and wind test of the Tesla chopper here in the Philippines. See if it's Typhoon rated. Typhoon, tropical storm, I don't know. It's called Pang, P-A-E-N-G. Then I think we got another one coming right behind it. It's getting a little extreme. We're gonna take cover here. Hope nobody minds. These homeless dudes over here. We're gonna take cover for just a minute. So without further ado, hold on, baby. I'm taking you to the Lewis Grand Hotel, Nanita. Oh yeah. Right here, baby. I'm taking you to a 5-star hotel. Here we go, folks. Give us a chance to take a look around the Lewis Grand Hotel. I'm gonna take this beautiful lady here. Baby, you didn't know I was taking you to a 5-star hotel. No, baby, we got the honeymoon suite up there. Fatima, don't get jealous, baby. Here's your look around. I mean, it's a beautiful property. Obviously, you got some homeless people hanging out and graffiti over there. But you know what the good thing is we are dry as a bone. It just started picking up. But see, it'll pick up, then it'll slow down. It's just these outer bands of Typhoon Ping, or whatever it is. Yeah, just taking a little break here. Check out that beautiful fountain over my shoulder. Look at this thing. Such a beautiful property here. Sad to see this whole building just sitting here getting run down and dirty, and you know, damn homeless folks hanging out here. But now look, the minute we pull in here, stops raining again. So we'll get back underway. We will get back underway. But while I'm here, I'll just give you a view of the fountain. Look at that. Right now it's being used as a homeless people's bathtub from time to time. And we'll just come in here and take a look. Take a look at this beautiful property in there. Look at that. Looking beautiful. Let's open this place back up for tourism. Wow. Well, having technical difficulties with the umbrella here. I don't know, baby. What happened is it's broke. No, there it goes. Whoop. There you go, darling. Ready to ride? Look at that beautiful lady. Alright, here we go. Yeah, so see, as quickly as the rain cometh, The Lord giveth, and then the Lord taketh away the rain. Right, fellow chopper rolling strong. They got a roof on theirs. I'm against the roof. I don't like the roof. Obviously on a day like this, you wish you had a roof, but I don't ride it too much in the rain. So an umbrella works better than a hot roof full time. I'm an open air type of dude. So it's not worth me investing in the roof. I don't need it. I just need an umbrella to put in the trunk. Plus I got a poncho. So since we're slow rolling it, I will just let the camera roll for anybody who's interested in seeing what's off. Whoa! See, that wind just started whipping. See, our speed is 14 kilometers per hour. A CPI call shop off to the starboard side. Put these flags on the handlebars. They look great, but then I said, oh my gosh, it's gonna jack up the GoPro audio. Something fierce, especially on a day where the Typhoon's remnants. Now look, in between the Great Wall of China and this hotel, it just killed the wind. It's like we're in the eye of the storm right now. Okay, emotions with a touch of class. Off to the starboard side. Then we're coming up on Joe's massage parlor, his wife's massage parlor, and Joe's hot dog stand. And Liza Mart used to be Eruptions. Any of y'all back in the day would go back that far. And then we'll be coming up on the Brass Knob. Hotel, resto. Got New York style pizza. I stayed at the Brass Knob many times throughout the years. Always had a pleasant stay there, friendly people. And then that brings us to the ABC Hotel. ABC with a beautiful lady standing out there. My goodness. She's got red hair. More like a pink hair. But that's up to her. It's her hair, it ain't mine. Four beautiful ladies and a dog. What is going on in the hood? Not to swing her wide to avoid some bumpity bumps here. Oh yeah, slick. Okay, let's check the exchange rate when we come by the money changers. We're looking at 57.30 pesos to the US dollar. So it's down a tick. About a half a dozen players staring out through the chicken wire. Oh, partner, you be first right after us, man. I got momentum, you just sitting there. See, you heard that engine in the background. His engine couldn't pull that hump, so I knew he wasn't going to come out. It'll take him a little minute to get over that hump with his allotted horsepower. For the love of humanity, all the wind. Woo! The umbrella's broken. Gotta pull a Superman. It changed a little bit. Got the poncho rocking it. As if my mane don't open wide, I got a poncho by my side. Oh shit, I should have turned right there. Might be screwed. Might have been the last entrance. I think I'm screwed. Now I gotta go all the way around. Cause you can't catch Papa Bear. Tesla chopper, tested, typhoon proof. Even a typhoon can't stop the Tesla chopper. There's your typhoon test of the Tesla chopper, and it passed with flying colors. I'm telling you right now.